Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a useful feature on Discord: how to view pinned messages on your Android device. Whether you're keeping track of important updates or memorable conversations, pinned messages are a great way to stay organized. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Discord app open on your Android device. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and land right in your server or direct messages. Once Discord is up and running, head over to the contact or server where you want to check for pinned messages. It can be a direct message with a friend or a channel within a server. Simply tap on the contact you want to view. Now, look for the contact's name at the top of the screen. Tap on their name to bring up more options. This is where you can access various settings and information related to that contact. Finally, to see the pinned messages, tap on Pins. Here, you'll find all the messages that have been pinned by you or the contact. This is a great way to quickly access important information without scrolling through endless chat history. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you can view pinned messages on Discord using your Android device. Keep your chats organized and never miss important updates again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Discord effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.